Good morning, people. Man. Up in here doing, some meal prepping. You know what I'm saying? Basically, if you're trying to, get your body right in the year 2019, which really, is long overdue. Um, it starts, in the kitchen, yo, straight up and now. Particularly, see this right here? If you're doing, if you're striving to be lean and cut, you want to cut that off. See? As the old saying goes, man, diet starts in the kitchen. You know what I'm saying? So this year, I basically still going to be doing the intermittent fasting, but uh tracking, my macros and what I'm putting in my body. You know what I'm saying? By, of course, using the calorie calculator. And then I have another one that I showed y'all earlier in my previous video. This one right here, is off the chain. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. See what I'm saying? It's a nutrition facts calculator. Yeah, man. That's how we do this here, man. You know what I'm saying? It can still implement or practice intermittent fasting or 1 meal a day. It's all about, tracking your macros, this year and so on. For real. Thanks to the good brother, Hard Body JT Mo. You know what I mean? If y'all interested in learning how to track your macros or looking for someone to help you, achieve better results, a better looking body, more chiseled physique, holler at the brother. You know what I mean? Or holler at anybody from one that's, that's qualified for that. Yeah, man. That's how we do this, yo. You know what I'm saying? Tracking your macros. You don't want to eat the bad fat, you know what I'm saying? If you want to eat, some fat, you want to basically eat your avocados, but make sure it fits your macros. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. One of the reasons I started doing this, you know what I mean? Although I was eating the 1 meal a day, was I kept my diet was like kind of like a roller coaster. You know what I'm saying? One day I'd be 186, 182, then to go to 188, 190, 193. So I say, I'm going to go on ahead and, see how much I should be consuming daily. So the aim basically is to consume 2,435 calories, you know what I mean, daily. All of this right here, you want to throw this in the garbage. And this, you want to cook this. I'll show you this, Matter of fact, I'm going to, proceed and show you how I'm moderately season this. Just a minute. before. Rinse the chicken off. See? Let's see. I'm gonna use a little bit of Korean jerk, moderately, not a lot, but moderately. Caribbean jerk, my bad, Caribbean jerk. Just a little bit, man. Just a little bit. All right. Mix it up. And we're through. I show you, you know what I'm saying, what I do, or how, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to prepare it actually, you know, later on in my little Tupperware in my next video. Alright? Holla.